Hello YouTube, it's Nicholas speaking. Welcome to another tutorial about Elementor. If you want to see previous videos, find the links down in the description. So far, we covered all the basic elements and some of the general elements in Elementor free version. Those are the icons from previous tutorial. Here we have the gallery, this basic gallery, and here we have Carousel. Today we are going to cover this element here, counter. Okay, before we start, I will be very happy if you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to smash the bell because you'll be notified about new tutorials right away. Let's go. Okay guys, now in this middle column, drag and drop this counter element from general elements, and here we have the number. Counter number, yeah. Let's see the options. In content, you have the counter option, and here you can set the starting number, for example, 10. And ending number will be 25. You see, our counter starts at 10 and ends with 25. Here in prefix, you can set the another number, or if, for example, if you have 325 projects and you want to start from 300, just type 3 and this will be that. Okay. In number suffix, you can set the plus sign and you get the plus sign after your numbers. It is this suffix, right? Here you can set the animation duration and you can set the 1000 separator. Let's check the 1000 separator. And this is the separator, okay? And here you can set the separator to be default, to be dot or space, just like this. In title, you can change those two words, school number, and type our projects. Okay, let's go to check style tab. Here you can change the text color, this color. You can change typography, and this is the title settings with same options about font and font settings and color for title. Okay, those are the almost same options, just like for other elements. Margin, padding, motion effects, background, border, and so on. Let me show one of my projects where I use this counter element. Okay, here is the website, and now let's go and see our counters. Here I have used another plugin, but I won't show you concept. Again, let's refresh. And here you can see versions, downloads, and user which downloaded this application. Okay, this is the end of this tutorial, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check the bell notification for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching me and see you in next video. Bye bye.